What's up, Mark? So, Twine here. So, today I'm going to be putting away cherry Coca-Cola next to Diet Pepsi caffeine free without any sugar in it. It's better than a regular zero sugar Coke. I bet they have it at Kroger. Off screen, I cleaned off the fridge mess. All right. Man. Okay, then. My parents love me. Alright, let's do this. Here I am throwing these boxes to the bonfire. Maybe we'll catch it on footage next time when I used to be a student a long time ago, but I'm retired. I went to Clarkson and I hate the adult program, but I like my acting. The adult program is evil. It's like a mental hospital. I'm a good celebrity, but I'm done with my crazy ass adoptive father named Edwin Price. So forget about him. I gotta forget about the adult program and move on to the next level. Making it all cold. Alright, so that's how you put your drinks cold. I did with the Pepsi off screen, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. Bye.